Hello, good morning students. Welcome back with your chemistry teacher Rajkumar Juppa sir. Today we will discuss about the coordination compound. In that we will discuss isomerism. What is isomer? Isomers are the compounds that has the same chemical formula but different in their structure is called isomer. The compound that has same molecular formula but different in their structure and spatial arrangements is called isomer, and the phenomena is called isomerism. Isomer of the two type, structural isomer and the stereoisomer. There's two type of isomer we will study here. First is the structural isomerism. Second is stereoisomerism. Today we will first talk about the structural isomerism. What is the structural isomerism? The compound that has same molecular formula but different in their structure is called the structural isomerism. And in that we will study about the four type of the isomer. In that first is the ionization isomer. Ionization isomer. What is the ionization isomer? The compound that has the same chemical formula but they will furnish different ion in the solution is called the ionization isomer. For example, we can take the example of ionization isomer just like this is the example of ionization isomer. This is a coordination compound. This is its isomer. These two coordination compounds show ionization isomer because when you put these two compounds in the water they will furnish the different ions, just like when you put this into the solvent, when you dissolve this compound in the solvent they will furnish the different ions. This will give sulfate ion in the solution and this will give the hydroxyl ion in the solution because these are the ionizable valencies of the coordination compounds. This gives sulfate ion in the solution and this gives hydroxyl ion in the solution. These are two type of the ions. These have the same chemical formula but they will furnish the different ions in the solution. That's why it is known as the ionization isomer. The second type of the isomer that we study here is the hydrate isomer or solvent isomer. that second is the solvate isomers or hydrate isomers. These are the second type of the isomer, in that the compound that has the same chemical formula but they are different in their number of water molecules as the ligand. See this compound. This is the example of solvate isomers that has the same chemical formula but different in the number of water molecules as a ligand. Here the number of water molecule is the 6, but here the number of water molecule as a ligands are the 5. They are different in the number of water molecules as the ligands. That's why these are known as the solvate isomer. What is the solvate isomer? The compound that has the same molecular formula but different in the number of water molecule present as a ligand in the compound. In the first example, there is a 6 number of water molecule as a ligand. In the second, there is a 5 number of the water molecule as the ligand, but the chemical formula in both the case is the same. That's why it is known as the hydrate isomerism. This is the example of hydrate isomerism. Now, third type of isomers that we study here, that is the linkage isomerism. Linkage isomer. What is the difference in the linkage isomers? The linkage isomer that has the same chemical formula but they are different in the atom of the joining in the ambident ligands. In the ambident ligands is present and either is joined with the different atoms. Now we will take the examples of a ambident linkage. This is the example of a linkage isomerism. This is the example of linkage isomerism. This is a coordination compound, in that this is the linkage isomer. This is known as the nitro compound, and this is first joined by means of the nitrate compound. This is first joined by with the help of the oxygen, and second it is joined with the help of a nitrogen. Now see its coordination compound. In this isomer, it is joined through the nitrogen, not through the oxygen, because it is a ambident ligand, nitrate. In this chemical formula, it is joined through the oxygen, but in this chemical formula, it is joined to the nitrogen. This is known as the linkage isomer. What is the linkage isomer? Linkage isomer क्या होता है? The compound that has the same molecular formula and that has a ambident ligands, and it is joined to the central atom by the different atoms. In the first case it is joined with the oxygen, and in the second case it is joined with the nitrogen. This is known as the linkage isomerism. After this, we will study the fourth type of the isomerism, that is known as coordinate isomerism. In the coordinate isomerism, the compound that has the same molecular formula but difference in the central atoms, the ligands are interchanged and they form a coordinate compound that has the both cation and anion are complex in that. You see the example here. See this coordination compound. This is a complex coordinate compound. We want to form the isomer of this. If we want to prepare here a coordinate isomerism, we will change their ligands. This is cobalt, this is changed with the cyanide, this is ammonia, this ligand is changed by this with cyanide. In that example, we will change this ligand with the ammonia. This is the example of the coordinate isomer. In that the both cation and anion both are complex and their ligands are interchanged. That is known as the coordinate isomer. The second isomer that we study in the coordination compound is the stereoisomerism. What is the stereoisomerism? Stereoisomerism is the isomerism in which we will study about the spatial arrangement of the ligand around the central atom. That is known as the stereoisomerism or stereoisomer. The compound that has same molecular formula but different in spatial arrangement of ligand around the central atom. It is of the two type. First is the geometrical isomer and second is the optical isomerism. First is the geometrical isomerism. Second is the optical isomerism. In the geometrical isomerism, we will study about the two type of the isomer, in that the cis form and the trans form. Now, first we will take the example of the geometrical isomer, and geometrical isomer possessed by the coordination compound that has the coordination number 4 and 6. Coordination number 4 and 6. The compound that has the coordination number 4, that is known as the square planar complex, and that has the coordination number 6, that is known as the octahedral complex. That is the coordination number 4, that is known as a square planar complex, and that has the coordination number 6, that is known as a octahedral complex. And these two type of the geometries show only the geometrical isomerism. that is square planar complex and octahedral complex. Square planar complex is shown by the compound that has the minimum coordination number 4 and that has the 6 is known as the octahedral complex. तो स्क्वायर प्लेनर कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन सा कंपाउंड शो करेगा जिसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4 हो, और ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन सा शो करेगा जिसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 होता है, वो ये कंपाउंड्स को शो करेगा. नाउ फर्स्ट वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ द कंपाउंड दैट इज शो the geometrical isomerism. The example is this platinum, we take the example of this compound. What is the name of this compound? This compound is diamine dichlorido platinum. Diamine dichlorido platinum. These are the compounds. This is the name of the compounds. This compound has the coordination number 4. This compound has the coordination number 4 and it show the square planar complex geometry and it forms cis and trans. Now see, this is the central atom, this has become the central atom platinum, and these lesions join here ammonia and these two are the chlorine. This is known as the cis isomer. इसको हम सिस आइसोमर कहेंगे. सिस आइसोमर क्यों कहेंगे इसको? क्योंकि ये देख रहे हो आप दो लीजेंट अमोनिया के, दे आर लाई इन द सेम प्लेन एंड दीज टू क्लोरीन्स आर लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. दैट्स व्हाई it is known as the cis form. How will you identify the cis form? The square planar geometry in which the same legend lie in the same plane. इसमें देख रहे हैं आप अमोनिया, ये वाला अमोनिया तो ये एक ही प्लेन में लाई कर रहा है, और क्लोरीन और एक क्लोरीन ये दूसरे प्लेन में लाई कर रहा है. दे आर द सेम प्लेन. दिस इज नोन एज द सिस फॉर्म. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू मेक द इट ट्रांसफॉर्म, चेंज इट्स पोजीशन हेयर. इसकी पोजीशन हम जो ना चेंज कर देंगे. ये देखिए, दिस इज देयर ट्रांसफॉर्म. इन द ट्रांसफॉर्म आई represent here the two legends lie in the opposite direction. This ammonia and this ammonia lie in opposite direction. This chlorine and this chlorine lie in the opposite direction. That's why this is known as the transform. This is known as the trans isomer. Trans isomer of this compound. अब मुझे लगता है कि आप समझ गए होंगे कि ट्रांस आइसोमर और सिस आइसोमर क्या होता है. इन द सिस फॉर्म द सेम लीजेंट लाई इन द सेम प्लेन, जस्ट लाइक अमोनिया लाई इन दिस प्लेन एंड क्लोरीन लाई इन दिस प्लेन. इन केस ऑफ द ट्रांस, दिस अमोनिया molecule legions are lie in opposite plane and chlorine molecule lie in the opposite plane. That is known as the transform. सिस फॉर्म किस में कहेंगे? जिसमें सेम लीजेंट सेम प्लेन में लाई करता हो. और ट्रांसफॉर्म किसे कहेंगे? जिसमें सेम लीजेंट लाई इन द अपोजिट प्लेन. दिस इज द सिस फॉर्म एंड दिस इज द ट्रांसफॉर्म. लेट अस सी अनदर एग्जांपल. अब मैं आपको दूसरा एग्जांपल बताता हूँ इसमें ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमरिज्म के अंदर. लेट अस सी अनदर एग्जांपल. I take the example of this is a chemical compound. This is A to B C type. Now let us form its cis and trans isomers. Platinum is a central atom. This ammonia and this chlorine is lying in one plane. On the other hand, this pyridine, these two pyridine molecules lie in the same plane. This is also the example of cis and trans isomer, and this is the type of Ma2BC type. In that the two pyridine molecules are the same, they are lying in the same plane. That's why this is known as the cis form, cis isomer. And if you want to prepare the trans form of this compound, let us form this pyridine will be transferred here at this position in opposite direction. They are lying in the different planes. This is known as the transform. How it is the transform? This pyridine and these pyridine ligands lie in the opposite plane. This is known as the trans isomer. This is known as the trans isomer. Now after this we will study the another type of isomerism, in that is known as a octahedral complex. In that we will study the cis and trans isomerism. We will study here the example of the octahedral complex. We will study example of the octahedral. Student, let us study about the octahedral complex. The octahedral complex in the coordination compound is formed when the coordination number is 6. We take the example of this. In that there is a 4 ammonia as a ligand and chlorine as a ligand. In that, chromium being the central atom, it becomes the central atom. Let us form its geometry. This chlorine and chlorine, these are lying in the same plane, and this ammonia ligand lie in the same plane. These two lie in the same plane and these two chlorine atom lie in the same plane. This is known as the cis form, cis isomer. Let us form its transform. It's quite easy to form the transform of this. We will change the position of this chlorine ligand in front of this, and this ammonia will be changed at this position, and this lies in the opposite plane. That's why it is formed as the transform. Just इनका हम plane बदल देते हैं. Let us see. We will change the plane of these ligands. Chromium being as the central atom, this ammonia lie in the opposite plane. This is the trans isomer of this coordination compound. How will you identify this is trans? This ammonia ligand lie in the opposite plane. This also, and these two chlorine atom lie in the opposite plane. तो आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये अमोनिया के दो लीजेंट हैं, ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, और यहाँ पर ये क्लोरीन के जो लीजेंट है ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. तो ये वाली फॉर्म कौन सी है? ट्रांसफॉर्म है. और ये वाली फॉर्म कौन सी है? सिस फॉर्म है. देखो इसमें क्लोरीन और क्लोरीन सेम प्लेन में लाई कर रहे हैं, इधर ये अमोनिया और अमोनिया भी सेम प्लेन में लाई कर रहे हैं, और इधर पे भी है. तो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द सिस एंड ट्रांस आइसोमर एंड द ज्योमेट्रिकल isomer. Let us take the another example. Let's student, we will take the another example of the octahedral complex, coordination number 6. Now this is a cobalt, this is become as a central atom and its coordination number is 6. So we will form the octahedral geometry. In that this chlorine atom lie in the same plane, that's why it's known as a cis form. Ne2, this ethylene diamine and this ethylene diamine. This chlorine atom complete the condition of the geometrical isomerism because they are lie in the same plane. This is known as the cis form. If we want to draw the transform of this coordination compound, now let us form the coordination geometry octahedral. This will be this chlorine ligands lie in the opposite plane. So this ethylene diamine ligand lie in the opposite plane of this ethylene diamine and this two chlorine atom lie in the opposite plane. That's why it is from the transform of the coordination compound. Now let us take another example. I hope you will understand the cis and transform of the geometrical isomer. Let me take another example. Let us student take another example of the octahedral complex. In that again the coordination number is 6. 3 plus 3, 6. This rhenium become as a central atom and due to its coordination number 6 it form a octahedral geometry. Now this chlorine atom lie in the one plane and this pyridine atom lie in the another same plane, and in this is form a trio and this form is known as the phase cis or phase isomerism. This is known as a cis or phase isomerism because here it form a trio and it become a these three chlorine atoms lie in the same phase of a octahedral. This is lie in the same phase of the octahedral. See this is form a phase of a octahedral geometry, that is known as the phase, and another that is we can form the transform and meridional form. See this. This pyridinium lie in the opposite plane, that why it is known as the transform. This chlorine atom is also lie in the opposite plane. तो इसमें आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये pyridinium अपोजिट प्लेन में है और ये क्लोरीन है ये भी अपोजिट प्लेन में है, तो ये कौन सा आइसोमर बना रहा है? ट्रांसफॉर्म. एंड दे आर नॉट लाई ऑन द सेम प्लेन, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द मेरिडियल isomer. This is also known as the meridional isomer. Transform and the meridional isomer. After this we will study student the type of the optical isomer. इसके बाद हम optical isomer के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Now students, after this we will study the optical isomer. What is the optical isomer? The optical isomerism in which the coordination compound rotate the plane of polarized light in the opposite direction, and that as the chiral atom, and their mirror image are the non-superimposable, and this phenomena is known as the enantiomers. and these type of compounds show the optical isomerism. Let us understand with the help of a example. I take the example of this tris-ethylene diamine cobalt, and its coordination number is 6. How its coordination number is 6? This ethylene diamine has the 2 donor atom and 3 molecules are there. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Its coordination number is 6. That's why it's form a octahedral geometry. Cobalt being the central atom, and we will attach ethylene diamine at this position and at this position and at this position, ethylene diamine. Now we form its mirror image. This is a mirror and this is the mirror image of this compound. This side of ethylene diamine will be formed at this side and we will form the mirror image of this compound. Now if we superimpose, we pick up this image and superimpose over it. If it cover it completely, it means this is the superimposable and it is not a pair of enantiomers and it is optically inactive compound. If this is the non-superimposable mirror image, look this example, this is the non-superimposable mirror image, and so it is act as a optical isomers. A set of the image which are non-superimposable, these are known as the enantiomers. Many times this question is asked in the board exam that what is the enantiomers. Enantiomers क्या होते हैं? A set of mirror image, these are the non-superimposable over it, that is known as a enantiomers. And the coordination compound that has the enantiomers, these are the optical isomer. Let us take the another example of optical isomerism. We will take cobalt chloride. We will take this example. In that, let us form its mirror image. First we form its geometry. Its coordination number is 6. We can draw as this is the trans form of this compound, trans, because chlorine lie up in the opposite plane, in this ethylene diamine lie in the opposite plane. This form is known as the trans form of this compound. Now we form its mirror image. And this mirror image will be the same as that of this. It means this image is the superimposable, and this superimposable, that means it is not a pair of isomer enantiomer. That's why it is trans form of this compound is not optically active. This is known as the optically inactive compound, trans form of this compound. That is cis form of this compound, cis form. This is the central atom. Now we will form cis form of this compound. This chlorine atom and this chlorine atom lie in the same plane. We place ethylene diamine here and another molecule of ethylene diamine here. Let us form its mirror image. This is its mirror image. This chlorine atom will be formed at this side, and this is ethylene diamine and this ethylene diamine. These two are द नॉन सुपरइम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेज, इफ़ यू ट्राई टू सुपरइम्पोज का मिरर इसको उठा के इस इमेज के ऊपर रखते हैं, अगर ये टोटली इसको कवर कर लेता है तो ये क्या रहेगा, सुपरइम्पोजेबल एंड इट इज़ ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव। तो ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव होने के लिए क्या कंडीशन है कि जो आप मिरर इमेज बनाते हैं वो नॉन सुपरइम्पोजेबल होनी चाहिए ताकि उसको कम्प्लीटली ढक ना ले। तो आपको अगर थोड़ी बहुत भी क्लियरिटी नहीं है कि सुपर इम्पोजेबल का एग्जांपल आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, दिस इज़ आवर हैंड, इफ़ वी प्लेस और इट दिस इज़ नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल, इट मीन्स दिस इज़ नॉन एज द नाइनशोमर्स and this is optically active. If I place this image over this and this is completely cover it, it means this is not the pair of nineomers and this is optically inactive. By this you are able to understand the different kind of isomer in the coordination compound. Student, watch this video carefully, make your notes and learn the examples. Number of time the question will be asked from in this topic, coordination compound isomerism. Watch these videos regularly, like and share it and give me your feedback, and we will regularly improve our videos, and every day I put videos before you that you can continue your study. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.